Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about how Speed Plus 9 software will help us in pesticide shop, seed shops, fertilizer shops. Uh, this is first one question. What is the requirement of pesticide shop? To first, what they have received from company, they have to maintain credit note. What shop do they credit offer buy one get one free, 10% discounts or gift voucher, MRP and buy, and they commit with the company. This commitment is item wise. It is difficult to remember on which item we committed, how much rupee, how much discount. Item wise commitment note is difficult to maintain for fertilizer store, pesticide store. And after 1 year, company will give you that credit money. How businessmen know that perfect credit given by company? How we will cross check it? Example, sometimes what happen, they give less amount of credit and you don't remember exactly, so you are okay with it. Okay. Like example, you are expecting 8 lakh credit amount, but here company gives you 5 lakhs, so you are in loss 3 lakhs. So how we can cross this item wise manually? It's take time to manage and check how much amount we have to take from company as a credit. Today we discuss how our software is useful to credit note and pesticide related everything, sale and purchase, create items we discuss. Don't miss any part of this video because everything is interconnected. Watch full video. So here, look at the screen. We already created one company pesticide shop. First, what we do, we create item, go on master and click on item master. First we change setting here, click on, we enable required salt. Salt is for pesticides, chemicals record, like every pesticide have some kind of chemical. Then we create sub item on example batch number, and we here also add expiry and manufacturing date, expiry date and manufacturing date. We will apply this. Here we create new item, example Terminator 5 liter. We choose units as a pieces, alternate units for a liter. Per pieces by how many, how much liters contain. Conversion sectors, price per pieces wise or liter wise. Maintain batch multiple or single. You can add picture here of your product. We add date, expiry date, sale price too, then save it. Click on save it. How to do purchase entry? First, change settings, go on a settings. We will on keep record of company schemes in purchase. Using this, you can record company scheme and discount, daily rate, different different kinds of other reports too. Whenever you add purchase entry, system, our software will prompt you with company related things you required. Now I apply it. Let's start with purchase entries, purchases, new. Here I create one party name. He is our suppliers. Here I click on item. After click, you can see item details on top. After selecting, item details available on top. Everything related item, company quantity, batch number, etc, expiry, manufacturing date, stock, sale price. We here add quantity. Suppose we purchase 10 pieces. Rate for this item 190 rupees. Enter. Software will automatically put the 10 pieces rate here. This is billing price from company side, commitment benefit. Okay. Then here our price, actual price 150. It will actually cost you 150. Then free 3 pieces extra. Free goods quantity. Example. Then percentage on amount 5%, alternate quantity 5 liter extra. So here we can see difference between company price and billing price 150 and 190. Then difference is 40 rupees. Total 400. 3 pieces extra, 5%, 95 rupees. Need quantity 50 liter. From company side, credit not created. We will take it from company. We are maintaining record regarding quantity, credit note, everything. Now we see company ledger. It is showing 2242 rupees. Considering company commitment, how much we have to pay. Let's check on a reports. Go in a reports, rate difference, report company ledgers, company name Moranto International, here price 1497 rupees we have to pay to company. You will found out difference between payable amount. In detail view, go on a reports, rate difference reports, company rate difference register, purchase, we check it from here. Party name, we go for this company. All the details available below, item name, batch number, quantity, price, basic amount, and total 2242. But from company side 150 price, free 3 pieces, 5% schemes, and alternate quantity. It is surely price difference for 100 rupees. We will get 400 rupees addition. Price difference for 100, amount scheme difference 95, quantity scheme difference 250, total difference 745 rupees, including everything. This difference in between company's bill and company's commitment. Every shopkeeper daily sell and purchase 1000 of items. Every item came with a different types of commitment, so they don't have enough time to maintain all these records. Sometimes they forgot to write, and when company gave credit notes, they take it easily and they are not mentioning them. This is right amount for them or not. If we don't cross check, how we know about our profit from company side. Now we talk about sale. They also do commitment. For this item, customer will pay you 200 rupees for this product, and we are paying to company 150 rupees. How we set difference is we generate bill on customer name. First we show cell settings. General, enable show commitment price in cell. On this button, ask customer details in credit sales, and on this button, customer details in cash sale. This both enable and then applied it. Now we generate sale bill. So go in a sale, then click on a new. We choose credit. Here I am choosing credit. We add commission agent name, right? For example, software will prompt you with customer details. Here we add our farmer's name whom we sold, who buy our items from us, like example Balbir Singh. Then choose items, quantity, example 2, rate 200, company agent commitment 150 rupees, billing will credit it on 200 rupees, created billing created 200 rupees. Okay, 400 total for 2 pieces plus 72 rupees tax, then finally total 472 rupees. Here I am saving it. We check report in ledger. Rakesh Kumar commission agent. Here we check reports from difference. So go here, rate difference reports, customer wise rate difference. Click on a customer wise rate difference. We have record on customer here, like here you are seeing, you can see Barbir Singh, bill amount, tax, commitment difference 100 rupees. In details, check rate difference report, registers, sales. You can see every record name wise, item wise, company wise, net committed amount 372, tax wise. Every record system will show you. So this is how the pesticide shops work, and how our Speed Plus 9 software will give benefit to them, maintaining every sale and purchase detail and company commitment detail. So whenever you take credit from company, so you can easily check anytime from anywhere. Thank you for listening to me. If you like my video, please click on like button, comment and subscribe our channel for more updates. Thank you so much.